Hi guys, in this video you got all the information of OnePlus 12 versus OnePlus Ace 2 Pro. The OnePlus 12 launched on December 2023 with a price tag of $700 and the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro launched on August 2023 with a price tag of $500. The weight, the OnePlus 12 have 220 grams and the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro 210 grams. The build, the OnePlus 12 front and back glass and aluminium frame and the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro is front and back glass and plastic frame. The both mobile come with dual SIM. The display, the OnePlus 12 and the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro come with AMOLED display with 1 billion colors and the screen size is same. And the resolution of these mobiles, the OnePlus 12 have 2K resolution and the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro 1240 by 2772 pixels and the PPI density of OnePlus 12 is 510 and the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro 451. And the refresh rate of these mobiles is 120Hz and the screen to body ratio is same. Let's talk about the protection. That OnePlus 12 have Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro come with ASFI glass. And the OnePlus 12 come with 4500 nits peak brightness and the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro come with 1600 nits peak brightness. Let's talk about the cameras of these mobiles. The OnePlus 12 have triple camera setups, the main sensor 50 megapixel and the 48 megapixel ultra wide and the 64 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it's also record 8K 30fps video recording. And the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro come with triple camera setup, the main sensor 50 megapixel and the second sensor 8 megapixel ultra wide and the third 2 megapixel micro. It also record the 4K 60fps video recording. And the selfie camera of these mobiles, the OnePlus 12 have 32 megapixel selfie camera and the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro come with 16 megapixel. And let's go to the platform. The OnePlus 12 come with octa-core CPU and the Cortex X4 and the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro come with octa-core CPU come with Cortex X3. The OnePlus 12 come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm processor and the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 4nm processor and the GPU of this mobile is Adreno 750 OnePlus 12 and the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro come with Adreno 740 and it's also come with Android 14 OnePlus 12 and the OnePlus Ace 2 come with Android 13. The memory, the OnePlus 12 come with 12GB, 16GB and 24GB RAM and also OnePlus Ace 2 Pro come with 12GB, 16GB and 24GB RAM and the storage of this mobile is 1TB and not come with micro SD cards. The battery, the OnePlus 12 come with 5400 mAh battery and the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro come with 5000 mAh battery. The OnePlus 12 have 100 watt fast wireless fast charging and the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro have 150 watt fast charging. The OnePlus 12 have 50 watt wireless charging and the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro have no wireless charging and also come with 5G network. Let's talk about their results. The OnePlus 12 have 25 points and the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro have 17 points.